Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to talk about PBT Backlit Keycaps, which are pretty common when you search for PBT keycaps, and it's pretty cheap on some websites. These are the purple and pink keycaps, and since it's made from PBT material, it has a rough surface. But it is more durable from shine compared to keycaps made from ABS. Some keys have damage and warp on them, but it's only on the underside, so it's no big deal. This keycap has an OEM profile, which compared to the standard cherry profile, it's slightly taller. These are backlit, which lets the RGB backlight shine through the legends. It's slightly thinner compared to the stock ABS keycaps of the GK61, which is still durable and feels more durable. What I bought was the 87 keys version, which doesn't include the numpad keys, but the numpad is included on the 104 keys version. You can also mix and match different keys, since the stock and these keycaps are both OEM profile. You can also swap the number keys with the function keys. So it's pretty good if you're on a budget and also want the backlighting. It's going to be durable due to its PBT nature. This review is going to be applicable to similar products. So now for a quick typing test.